If you are a freelancer or a small business owner, you probably spend more time creating invoices and tracking payments than you would like. The right invoicing software can make that job much easier by helping you create professional invoices, manage customers, and keep your business organized. One tool that's getting attention is Billing Now. It promises a simple way to handle invoicing without complicated accounting software. But is it still actually worth using? In this video, I will share my honest review of Billing Now, explore its features, and help you to decide if it is the right invoicing tool for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, where we simplify technology for your business. If there is any special deal available for Billing Now, you will find the link in the description, and any available discount will be applied automatically. If you enjoy honest software reviews, then don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Billing Now is a cloud based invoicing platform designed to help businesses create invoices, track payments, and manage clients from one dashboard. Instead of creating invoices manually using documents or spreadsheets, everything is handled inside one simple dashboard. The platform is designed for freelancers, consultants, agencies, startups, and small businesses that want an easier way to manage billing. The first thing I noticed is how clean the interface looks. The dashboard is clean, with most important options easy to find. Even if you have never used invoicing software before, you can quickly understand where to create invoices, add customers, and view your payment history. This makes the learning process very easy for beginners. Creating an invoice is straightforward. You simply enter your customer's information, add the product or services you are billing for, set the quantity and price, and the invoice is ready. You can also include taxes, discounts, payment terms, and due dates to make your invoices look more professional and complete. Another feature that I like is customer management. Instead of entering the same client information every time, you can save your customers in the system and reuse their details whenever you create a new invoice. This saves time, especially if you regularly work with repeat clients. Billing Now also helps you to keep track of your invoices after they have been sent. You can easily see whether an invoice is still pending, has been paid, or is overdue. This gives you a clear picture of your cash flow without having to search through emails or spreadsheets. For freelancers, this can be useful feature. When you are working with multiple clients at the same time, it is easy to forget which invoices have already been paid. Having everything organized in one dashboard that makes managing your business much less stressful. Another advantage is invoice customization. Most businesses want invoices that match their own brand. Billing Now lets you customize your important details such as your company information, logo, and invoice layout. So your document look more professional when they are sent to your clients. If your business works with international customers, support for different currencies and tax settings can also make invoicing much easier. Instead of creating separate invoice format for different clients, the platform helps you manage everything from one place. Performance is another area where Billing Now does well. It creates invoices quickly, the navigation feels smooth, and the overall workflow is easy to follow. Because the platform is cloud based, you can access your invoices from different devices whenever you need them. Of course, no tool is perfect. If you are looking for full accounting software with advanced bookkeeping, payroll, inventory management, and detailed financial reporting, Billing Now may feel more focused on invoicing than complete business accounting. But for many freelancers and small businesses, that's actually a good thing because it keeps the platform simple and easy to use. So, who is Billing Now is best for? I think it is an excellent choice for freelancer, consultants, agencies, service providers, and small businesses that mainly need a fast and reliable invoicing solution. If your priority is creating professional invoices, tracking payments, and managing customers without unnecessary complexity, Billing Now is definitely worth considering. After reviewing it, I think its biggest strength is its simplicity. It focuses on helping businesses send invoices quickly, stay organized, and spend less time on paperwork. For many small businesses, that's exactly what an invoicing tool should do. That's my honest review of Billing Now. I hope this video helped you understand what the platform offers and whether it is the right choice for your business. If you found this review helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to Easy Access Tech, and check the description for latest link and any available special offer. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.